I wanted all of you to understand the seeing, thinking and all cannot be done by the arithmetic logic or mathematical logic. Still no robot is able to take cognizance of even simple happenings. 2 days before I was telling, a rope can be used only for pulling, not for pushing. Bar can be used only for pushing, not for pulling. Just this cognizance cannot be taken by any mechanical robot available on the planet Earth till now. Just this much of cognizance. There is no arithmetic, logical, mathematical sutra or formula or a solution to take cognizance of this information, this simple conclusion. To come to this conclusion, still we do not have a logical, mathematical, arithmetic formula which you can feed to a robot, and that robot comes to a cognizance. Yes, this is a rope. It can be used only for pulling, not for pushing. This is a bar. This can be used only for pushing, not for pulling. No. It means seeing or thinking cannot be secondary sense, where the screen on which the seeing and thinking is happening is where the cognizance is taken, is the conscious shaft. It is on conscious shaft this cognizance is taken. Seeing and thinking happens on cognition, on the conscious shaft. Cognition cannot be taken by the secondary sense, because all secondary sense is reproducible. I can use thousands of logic to say just the actions cannot show the source is matter or intelligence. Because the source where the cognizance is taken about the action, seeing or thinking is conscious shaft, is independent intelligence. Without independent intelligence, without the presence of independent intelligence, without the presence of Pratyagatma Chaitanya, the individual self-reflection, cognition cannot be taken. So the source is life. Through all the logics which hides your knowledge, through all the arguments which hides your knowledge and highlights your ignorance, you need to analyze and imbibe this truth. Please understand. When you listen, Shravana, the ultimate truth, when the Shravana of the ultimate truth is done by you, few things happen. A sincere seeker analyzes the truth because it is truth and receives it. A profit-oriented seeker, he thinks, if I believe these truths, I may get spiritual experience or enlightenment. So let me believe this truth. The moment you have an idea, I will get something if I accept this truth, and start accepting, you missed it. Then there is another one set of people, maybe because this man says it must be true, it goes above my head, it's okay, I think it is true. Again, you missed it. You may have it by the grace of the Master in course of time when he repeats the same truth at some time else, later on. Because you have trust on the man, you have little possibility, but you missed now. There is another one set of people. No. What he says is true, but I need to practice, and then it should become experience, then I will become enlightened. Better you disappear into the wherever you can. Truth has to be analyzed and imbibed just for the sake of truth. When you analyze and imbibe just for the sake of truth, only then enlightening happens in you. I am changing my brand. It is no more enlightenment. Enlightening. The N effect happens on you if you sit and listen to the truth and analyze, imbibe just for the sake of truth. Now I am saying, source is intelligence. Means the source of the universe, source of your individual self, source of God, source of the human society, source of the nature, everything is intelligence. It is not dead matter or dead laws. I am telling you the honest truth, there is no such thing as injustice. I know for sure the source is intelligence. It will not allow any injustice. Now when it is happening superficially, when you look in a very hurried way, you want to come to the conclusion, it will look like injustice. But relax and wait in few days. Wait and see how the cosmos unfolds and rolls. All you need is little bit of restful awareness during the time when you are made to believe injustice is being done to you. For that restful awareness, you need to have a clear cognizance of factual reality that source is intelligence. If you think source is law, dead law, or matter, you will become terrorist. Now, actually, I can see very clearly a mental setup of an enlightened being, a mental setup of a common citizen. I can see the whole thing. That is why I am telling you the truth is, source is intelligence. There is no injustice in the planet Earth, in the cosmos, anywhere. Now, it should be analyzed for the sake of truth, not for the sake of any other reason. You should have a solid debate which does not raise the heat of your body. Each satsang center, I request you guys to form 2 groups. The groups should be called as Shankara and Mandana Mishra. You should have honest debate for the sake of truth. I think you should not even have the name Shankara and Mandana Mishra, because the moment some group assumes the name Mandana Mishra, you will lose the confidence. No. Shankara and Vyasa. All our temples and satsang centers from today should have 2 groups who are attending Brahma Sutras. Should have 2 groups, Shankara and Vyasa. Should analyze all the truth I am revealing for the sake of truth, not even to justify what I am revealing. No. Analyze with all the logical doubts you have, because the logical doubts you have are responsible for not awakening the non-mechanical parts of your brain. So no sadhana for the Brahma Sutra participants. But Vada Prativada should be done. Shankara and Vyasa, 2 teams should be created. It does not necessary the 2 teams should have equal number, but both teams should be honest about the truth. It is not necessary you need to come to the same conclusion which I am giving to you. At the end of the debate, the level you are able to reach, stop with it, over. But the condition should be your body heat should not increase. If your body heat is increasing, you are not basing your debate on truth, it is being based on violence now. You are not becoming enlightened. So these few things will really help you. Maybe we can get some high quality monitors which shows even a slight increase in the body temperature. It should be tied on your body, in your hand, and the debate should start. I wanted at least all our major temples to do this practice. Then you will experience authentic truths in a very clear way as a cognizance of factual reality. When the cognizance of factual reality does not happen in you, the non-mechanical parts of the brain remains closed even if you do any kind of practice. Because the place where you begin is wrong. Understand? If you start traveling towards Bangalore but standing in opposite direction, you will never reach Bangalore. Same way, if you start going towards Brahman thinking you are matter, all your effort will be waste. You will never reach Brahman. Because the basic mistake has happened. In the basic cognizance of factual reality, truth is missed. Honesty cannot be acquired by practice. It can be acquired only by understanding. Any number of years you play with any toys, any techniques, any kriya, unless the understanding is happening, enlightening is impossible. The end effect is impossible. So the truth should be analyzed, debated, imbibed, incorporated just for the sake of truth.